Hello guys, welcome to my channel Techie Param, and today we are going to create and code shapes and lines in processing. If you haven't introduced yourself to processing, then just check my YouTube playlist code with processing. This it will help you to learn and introduce you on processing. Let's start. So I've opened processing. Um, just define the size and setup point. I will just keep it 400 or 400. Then we have void draw. So first of all, we will just create or code a simple dot or point. So we'll use a point function. So here you can see that showing there are two parameters. So these two parameters are defining the x and y location. We'll just the center 200 comma 200 is the center of the testing screen, and and for increasing the size or making the point or the dot bolder, we will use stroke and W capital weight with parentheses bracket and semicolon at the ending. So you can put any number from 1 to 10. So 10 is the maximum bolding, and the minimum is 1. We'll type has 8 and your weight. Okay, done. So now we will run it. Yeah, so we can see a small dot in the center of the screen, and if we change the stroke weight to 4, then again run it, so it would be this smaller. So you can just use the number as per your choice. Now we'll make a line from 0 comma 0 means top left corner to the center of the screen means 200 comma 200. So line, and then we have again your four parameters. So this would be defining the ending and the starting point of the line. We'll write 0 comma 0 and then 200 comma 200, and stroke weight I will increase it to 6. Again, yeah, so you can see a line, bold line from the top left corner to the center of the screen. We can make a line from top center, or we can just say from center, mid center to the mid left. Now we'll make now we'll start with the shapes. So we will make rectangle. So we will not write the whole rectangle. We'll write RECT rect, then parentheses and semicolon. So here it is showing me the error that there should be 4 parameters. So 2 would be defining the location, and the other 2 would be defining the height and width. So I just write 200 comma 200 with the 50 comma 100 as height and width. Let's see. So here you can see small triangle or vertical triangle. The point is starting from the 200 comma means it is starting from the center thing. Then the 50 and 50 as its width, and 100 and 100 as its height. Now I hope you have now learned about how to code rectangle, a line or a dot in the processing. Now we will use a circle. We'll make a circle function, parentheses and semicolon. Here it's showing three floats or three parameters. So the first two would be defining the location again, and third one is defining the diameter. So I will again keep it in the center only with the 50 as its diameter. Yeah, you can see a small circle between the screen, testing screen. We can also increase it by changing the diameter by 100. We can use it as 100. So you can see this circle has been increased. Now we'll make triangle. Having pieces and again. So here we have one, two, three, four, five, six thing, six parameters. So the six parameters will be defining the location of every meeting point of the two lines. Means every angle or every corner's location will be determined with these parameters. We'll keep it 0, comma 0 or 200, comma 200 with 0, comma 0, and we'll take any random location xyz 200 comma 0. I also don't know what will happen, how will the triangle look, but it's perfect. So you can see a triangle from 200 comma 200 to 0 comma 0 to 200 comma 0. So it's a perfect triangle. So we have made rectangle, circle, line, triangle, dot, and now we'll make a square. So making a square is very simple. We will use a rect function. It will be again see 100 comma 200 x and y location, and we'll keep the height and width as the same as square has all the sides same. So 50 comma 50. So you can see by using a rectangle function I have drawn a or coded a square. So you can see we can make things easier by using rectangle and not the square function. There is a square function, I will show that also. We has again three parameters. Two, two parameters are determining the x and y location, and the other one is determining the side length. So we'll keep it as 200 comma 250 as its side. So you can see the triangle is again the same. So if we make a square using the rectangle function, or we make a square using its own function, it would be the same. So now we'll just revise all the things. I will just write the code again of all the things. Point has two parameters, x and y location. Then we have line having three or four parameters, starting and ending location or starting and ending point. Then we have rectangle having four parameters again. We'll use this time 0 comma 0 and 200 or no 50 comma 100 length and height, width and height. Then we have square function. Square function will use 0 comma 200 and the side length would be 50. Then we have circle. In circle we will use three parameters, x and y location. So 400 comma 400 with its diameter of 50. And we have triangle. Triangle has one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parameters. Each two of them, each of the two are determining the XML location of every angle or every corner. We have 200 comma 200 to 0 comma 0 to 0 comma 200. We'll just run and check it, everything. So here we had a square, circle, and there is a line here. We just change the lines ending point so we can just get a clear thing. Yeah, we can see that. So here it is a line. We have triangle here, then a square, a rectangle which is behind the triangle, and a small circle here. We can only see the half circle. Yeah, so we in this video we have learned how to draw shapes, line, point, and how to increase the boldness by using a stroke weight function. So in my next video I will show you how to move any object or any shape in processing. So till then, goodbye, and please make sure you